Hey guys, came home the other night and the floor here in front of my SubZero refrigerator was covered in water. So, well, that's a problem. So the first thing I did was, after wiping the water up, was take off this bottom cover here. There's two Phillips screws, one on each end. I'm going to take that off. And there's a tray under there that should hold water. And I wanted to see if first that was full or empty, and that would tell me what's going on. So I'm going to take that cover off right now. See if I can put this phone here in the holder. Okay, as I said, there are two Phillips screws. One in this top corner here. One in this corner. This plate comes right off. And the tray I mentioned is right under here. Pull that. You can see it's got a little water in it. The other night when I pulled it out, it had zero water in it. So I knew that the drain wasn't coming down to the tray. So I figured that the drain was probably plugged up. I'm just going to put the tray back in here. And then I'm going to take out the shelves in here and show you guys where the drain is and how to clean that out. Okay, there are two drawers. I'm going to take those out. And then this glass shelf needs to come out. It just lifts and pulls out. If you look in here, right behind where the shelf was, there's this drip rail, or gutter I called it, and it was full of water. So I knew that the water wasn't draining out of it. So I took just a piece of wire. This is just some 12 gauge flexible wire. And I stuck it down in there, and you can see it going down in the hose there. And I stuck it down there, and I hit a little obstacle and kept moving. And finally I heard the water gurgling out, and it drained the little drain gutter there. And then I kept working at it and took some more water and poured in here, and it drained right out. Then I pulled the tray out, and sure enough, the water had come into the tray. And what I found was there was just some little debris, some little pieces of paper from food labels and whatnot had fallen down in there and blocked that hose up, and the water was overflowing here and then coming out onto the floor. So just a simple little thing like that saved me probably a $400 service call from SubZero. So something to think about if you guys ever run into anything like this. Hopefully this will help you out. Good luck.